Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Yum employee account. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in Yum employee login and hit the enter. Now make sure that guys, it takes you to the official link my.yum.com. Click on that link. Now here you will be taken to the new interface and you can see the sign in form over here. Just enter your user ID over here, which can be number or your email. And similarly enter your password over here. And once you will click on sign in button, you will be access your account easily. If you are trouble to signing in, just click on trouble signing in. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.